there. Didn't recognize you were there, but thanks for joining Mav's Corner. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about vaccines, specifically optional vaccines. So these are what I call lifestyle vaccines, and so we'll go into detail about these vaccines, and if you think that your pet and the lifestyle you live with your pet puts your dog or cat at risk. Thanks for coming. As far as our dogs, there's more optional vaccines that we have the option for, and those ones that I talk to owners most about are the canine flu vaccine, the leptospirosis vaccine, and also the Lyme vaccine. So canine flus, I'm going to talk about that first because actually in the news you may be hearing about this a little bit. Just like humans, there are multiple strains of the canine flu, or strains of the flu in general I should say, and it's no different for dogs. There's different strains. Now these strains haven't proved to be transmitted to humans. It's really we're just seeing it between dogs. And recently there's a strain that we call the H3N2 strain that we've seen in Florida, had some reported cases. It's kind of moving up the coast a little bit. We haven't seen any reportable cases yet in DC. You know, I don't think any of us would be surprised if we would have reported cases in the near future in the Virginia, Maryland, DC area. And the typical signs of the canine flu are sneezing, nasal discharge, cough. Can actually cause the dogs to be lethargic and have a temperature as well. So I would say majority of these dogs that get the canine flu will get better on their own in 2 to 3 weeks. Obviously we like to hear if your dog's having a cough or any of these signs so we can help them with supportive care. But like I said, the vast majority will get better with that supportive care and over time. There is a subset though, maybe a small percentage, maybe 10%, that will actually get really sick and have to be hospitalized. So that's why we're really educating you and having you guys be diligent to let us know so that we can always take a look at your pet and make sure. But we will talk about the vaccine process, and this is a vaccine that might be worth it for your pet. Especially the highest risk is going to be for your dogs that are around lots of other dogs. So, you know, the dog park, boarding facilities, grooming. If you're around lots of other dogs where they're coming in contact with each other, they're going to be at higher risk than, you know, some dog that's really just indoor and just goes out to go to the bathroom, and that's pretty much their life. So that is going to be the highest risk for those dogs. If you want more information, you can also go to our website. So that's www.dupontvetclinic.com. We will have these videos up, but we also have kind of more information that you can kind of get a summary of some of these vaccines that we talked about today. It's been great being with you. Have a great weekend. Bye.